do anything you want. Think about it. Those voices that they use for adverts, movie adverts, those American movies. You hear this voice. He was young and he was destined to save mankind. Come see the action, the thriller, the suspense, and this new voice. Is that all the girls are playing? Oh my God. Use that voice, walk into a club, talk to any girl with that voice. She will agree, she won't be offended. Hello, how are you doing? I like you. You look very beautiful. I would like you to follow me to my house so I can suck your puppy. Okay, there's your heart. That voice is amazing. Tell you. I know the funny thing. Guys don't know, but you think that when you use your ATM, you're using the ATM at the ATM machine, and you call like you want to withdraw just maybe like 10 Ghana cedis. Who even does that? Want to withdraw 10 Ghana cedis? You now cover the screen, so the girls behind you can see it. Girls can tell by the sound of what you are withdrawing. Girls, don't try girls. They will just punch 10 Ghana. Let me make it 50 Ghana cedis. Yeah. They will even say hi to you. Please. But if you go to withdraw 1,000 Ghana cedis, I swear, girls will say hi to you. They know, they can hear it. The last time I came to Ghana, I went to withdraw money to go and watch a movie. And my plan was to take like 200 Ghana cedis. Girls of like 5 beautiful girls just came behind me. I looked at them like, damn, man. I had to go like to 500. So I was at GTB, and soon the GTB bank. 500. He just started. I just said, hello. I said, hi. The Basket Mouth, right? I said, yes. You're quite funny. I said, 500 Ghana cedis. That's brought compliment. I'm going for another 500. I'm going for phone number. Basket, I hope I'm not being too forward, but can I get the phone number? I gave her a phone number. She never gave me her own. I said, no, I'm going for another 500. The next thing, sorry, can I give you my phone number, and my BB pin, and my address, and my email address? I collected everything. Remember, all I needed was 200 Ghana cedi. Now I have 1,000 for that I don't need. So I collected everything, collected the details. I walked into the bank, deposited 1,003. They have to be sharp, as a bad guy. But it's fun. When you do some things, it's crazy how people behave in this world right now. Think about it. Mandela died. Everyone went crazy. Now everybody's celebrating they're celebrating good luck right now. What he did was awesome. Normally, normally, let's we're not expecting things like this, but a lot of people were expecting Nigeria to go to war. Civil war in Nigeria. Those CIA people, they are very drunk. Why is a country like Nigeria will go to war? That we love our life. Nigeria. A drunk man doesn't even get into an accident. Drunk man, say, enter the car. I don't know why drunk people do that. When you do that, you're going to clear your drunkenness. It's impossible. Nigerians go to war. What? We love. Can you put more volume on this mic? I can't feel myself. More volume, engineer. Yes, so. Yeah, thank you. I can't still hear myself. Thank you. More. No, I want to feel it. How you guys doing? You guys are from the same company, right? Beautiful girls. Maybe I'm just person company. No women are very feisty. I remember, but the truth is that when I got married to my this year marks the 5th year anniversary. She said she wanted us to what you concern you. My wife is here, that's the only information you need to know. So we went to, she said, a friend told her to buy the wedding gown from Pronovia. Now, let me tell you a secret. When you go to London to buy a wedding gown or anything, see those streets off the high streets, don't go there. We walked into the store, wedding gown, whatever. We walked in, they just offered me a glass of champagne. I said, So I left her there, she picked up, she was picking, it was cool, paid, got back, and for the first time, I saw her in a wedding gown. That was the day of the wedding. And my wife walked in, and the pastor was like, ladies and gentlemen, welcome the bride. My wife just walked in. The DJ just played the coolest song ever. Can't sing the song, but the song was cool. My wife just walked in. Just walked in like this. Everywhere just went quiet. I turned back, saw her looking like an angel. The next thing, tears just started coming off my eyes. Swear down, I went in, I cried. No jokes, I cried, tears. I looked at her, looking to me with the veil, everything, the physique. I was just, tears. My manager, who was my best friend, said, Basket, clean your tears, don't do this in public. So I carried my handkerchief. Well, no, as a bad guy, you can't just clean the tears. You clean like you're cleaning sweat. After the wedding, all my friends were so disappointed. They were Basket, why would you cry in public? All those small children, what the fuck, man, why would you do that? I said, my brother, if you know how much that wedding guy cost. But now we are renting the wedding guy and making our money back, so see you all later.
Peter Pan, Mita, this a girl can cool like a cardigan. Peter Pan, Mita, this a girl can cool like a cardigan. Peter Pan, Mita, this a girl can cool like a cardigan. This a girl make a feel like a Peter Pan. Me a get a hitty like a boy cardigan. This a girl show me love before me love me never see. For the winter but me feel like a the Hamilton. This a girl make a feel like a Peter Pan. Me a get a
Welcome to call back. Please punch in your secret number. Mr. Kofi, you were here this morning. And we told you you don't have money in your account. Now you're here again. You think the bank is going to make a mistake? You are a thief. Only nobody will stand and manage again. I'm telling you, you should add more stuff to that thing. Make it crazy, make it difficult for people to just mess things up. Another thing they should do, they should ban all these artificial things that guys are wearing. Yes, it's fraud. You are showing us what you don't have. That's fraud. It's a criminal act. You carry girl. Oh, this one is hurting my feelings. You carry a girl. My wife is here. Those days, before I met her, carry one babe. If you see this girl, if you see Nyash, if you see Bombo, South Africa is small now. If you see Bombo, I can't even get to the house. Boom! Enter the room. She was like, baby, come on, can you bring off the light? I want you to be more romantic, you know? So in my mind, I was like, oh, this girl loves romance. So I put off the light. She's like, can I use the bathroom real quick? I said, yeah, no problem. Light was off. She went to the bathroom, came back. I went to ease myself. I entered bathroom. I said, the fish. No, when you're in the bathroom, that's when you start noticing things. And this thing is dirty, I need to clean it up. So I was looking, I just looked at the clothes line. So Yash. Philomena! Did you spread Yash here? Yes, it was wet, I had to dry it. Fraud. Enter the room, this guy did not have anything. So since that day, I devised a new technique that I want to share with you people. How you can know if the Yash is fake or real. When you're in the club dancing with the girl with big bum bum and she's dancing for you, shake, you know girls now they don't be shaking one thing. Light cigar. Take a long drag. When the thing is red, carry the cigar, place on the Yash. Once the thing touch the bum bum and she cannot do it's fake. Once that's come out, it's for permission. It's annoying. And the funny thing, I have a beautiful daughter. If you follow me on Instagram, you will know. My daughter is beautiful. And I'm so protective. I love even my wife, I protect everybody. If I see a guy talking to my wife, I feel vexed. My daughter, I'm so protective, it's a problem. To the point that I don't even let my daughter eat banana. Daddy, I want banana, she don't hold the banana. No, bring let me cut it into small pieces. Don't eat it like that, it's not nutritious, you eat it like this. women, like, my daughter, look at her like, man, this girl is going to grow up, some guys start toasting her, shit like that. But my daughter is smart, like my wife is smart. My wife one day, I pissed her off. Actually, she pissed me off, and I shouted at her. She slapped me and started crying. She's like, look at what you just made me do. And I said, baby, I'm so sorry. And she was wrong. Women are smart. And I tell guys, never ever think that you're smarter than a woman. Never in your life. And women, they know how to just pounce on you and surprise you. And guys, you don't know. When you're chatting with another girl in your house, whether your wife, your girlfriend, you're chatting, there's a smile on your face. You don't know. But if your wife or girlfriend catch you, they know. You don't know, but you just say, okay, baby, I miss you too. They smile. And women, when they come at you, men, they are not as fast as they are. Women will just come, baby, who are you chatting with? Our guys, that's a lie coming. You heard me, who are you chatting with? You have to be fast. Because if you do the same thing to a woman will change the scenario, and you will now be the one that's the victim. Try it. Go with the woman. Baby, who are you chatting with? You think I'm like you, and you'll be chatting all these stupid girls. Women are smart. And you guys think you guys are, no, you're not. My wife caught me one day. Boom! Entered the room, surprised me. Baby, who are you chatting with? I said, give me the phone. Just give me the phone. He said, what? He said, give me the phone. And me, I was chatting with a woman. And the chat was short. He said, baby, don't touch that phone, just give it to me. And I knew if I give it to her, I'm dead. The sharp guy. I just looked at her and said, baby, so you mean you don't trust me? You think I'm chatting with another woman? He said, yes. Give me the phone. And don't touch anything, just pass the phone. I said, baby, no, baby. So you mean that you don't trust me? You think I'm chatting with another woman with a simple bloody device? You think I'm not cheating on you? Think I'm cheating on you? Think I'm The screen was broken, you can't see anything. Since that day, she can't this guy has hot temper. So she really has to obey. But when you are doing that, make sure there's cheap phone. Then Samsung. Notice Samsung, iPhone. They know that men are, and women too, they are like this, So they now brought up that fingerprint security code that you can use to lock your phone, which is the best device ever. Only you can unlock your phone. You put your fingerprint and it's locked. Those guys are thinking for the men and the women to lock the phone. But now think about it. Do you think that secures your phone? What happens when you sleep? You know the sleep. Look at your tongue. Today, wake up. Who is Jessica? I have to say, I have an iPhone, I use my fingerprint, but since the day I put the fingerprint, this hand sleep. I remove my hand from my mouth.
Tap on me, this a girl can cool like a cardigan. Peter Pan, me, this a girl can cool like a cardigan. Peter Pan, me, this a girl can cool like a cardigan. This a girl make a pele like a Peter Pan. Me a get a hitty like a boy cardigan. This a girl show me love before me laugh me never see. For the winter but me feel like a the Hamilton. This a girl make a pele like a Peter Pan. Me a get a
No. You have to be sharp. I know what's about Nigeria. I love my country. I believe you guys love yours too. You have to represent where we come from. I love my country. And Nigeria is one country that we ask the most annoying questions. Not just Nigeria, Africa. You know the answer to the question, but you're asking the question. The girl, you'll be dating the girl will wait. First date, second date, third date, fourth date. When you guys are now annoying, Mama. Yo, now, baby, I want to ask you a question. What is it? Do you love me? And you chose that time to ask that question. You get a lie, definitely. And there was the one that annoyed me, one guy. I was boarding an aircraft. The pilot saw me. He was standing by the door. Hey, Basket Mouth, funny comedian. I love your work. So you are flying with us. I didn't want to be sarcastic. I said, yes, sir, yes, sir. Yeah, you're very funny. I love your jokes. You're very funny. Nice one. So where are you flying to? You don't know where we're flying to? That was small. The one that annoyed the one guy saw me. Hey, Basket, congrats. I heard that your sister just gave birth to a bouncing baby boy. I said, no, it's not a boy. He said, hey, what did she give birth to? I said, a goat. Stupid question. The one that pissed me off the most, I was watching the Chelsea game, Chelsea and Arsenal. My guy just entered the beer parlor. Hey, Rato, how about that? They watch game. I was in a good mood, so I was like, yeah. Okay, who they play? Was written there. I said, Chelsea and Arsenal. I said, where is Chelsea playing from? I said, from left to right. What about Arsenal? From right to left. Okay. What color is Chelsea wearing? Blue. What about Arsenal? Red. What's the scores? 0-0. Who's leading? Stupid question. And the annoying one, I don't know if you've seen it. I don't know if they do it here. There's one billboard in Lagos they just put up recently. It wrote, if you do not know how to read and write, call this number. I started thinking, what is their focus? What are they directing this? The people that can read already. Crazy, man. I know the funny thing, I tell people most times, the interesting thing, like I say, like one other thing that I'm going to tell you, whenever I get to meet our president, I'm going to tell him, one new law. No, jail, prison doesn't really help anymore. It doesn't. It doesn't. It makes people harder. It makes them tougher. You know, they're not scared. Prison, no. They should make a jail sentence, not a jail sentence. You steal, you're an armed robber, you go to court, they'll sentence you that for like 12 gorilla to have sex with you. Now I'm telling you, you see people go stop to the team. 12 gorilla will don't do anything. And then you don't know who's the good lawyer. The good lawyer will just say, you know what, see what, guy, I want you to plead guilty, and I promise you, I'll make sure that the judge cuts down the sentence. It will be 12 gorillas. I can get you 2 monkeys and 1 goat. You sure? Who will the prize that? But it's funny, man, because crime right now is crazy. Everything is mad. See America, someone will carry gun and kill people and kill himself. It's madness. And that country, America, is one place that I raised. All of these white people are different. Totally different from black people. Do you know that? I know you should have some white people are always in Ghana. They like this place. It's safe. Actually, it's safe, actually. You guys are okay. Do you guys have robbers? I'm robbers. Morgan, you're here. Hey. This is my chairman from Nigeria. This guy is a walking ATM. Too much money. Telling you. But you know the funny thing? You know when you meet the rich people, I'm saying I'm going to calm down right now. No. Rich people, I'll confirm something right now. And you know, but when you look at them, sir, how you doing, sir? Just talk, man. How you doing?
I'm fine.
Yeah, I'm fine. Yeah, I'm fine. And look at my faces. No. I can see the rich people. Sir, how you doing, sir? Terrific. Yeah? Right. And then, wait, guy, come. How are you doing? Very fine. Hey, shut up, guy. That's not your real voice. Rich people, their voice gets thicker as they get richer. I don't know if you guys have heard of a man called Mike Adenuga. Oh, rich in billions of dollars. Billions. That guy went to his house one day, we had a meeting. He called his stewards. He didn't have houseboys, stewards. He heard the talk. I thought he was coughing. Steward came like, okay, sir. Yes, sir. I said, waiting. I went to meet the steward after the meeting. I said, what did chairman tell you? He said, my friend, I didn't hear meeting. After I finished talking, I just went to do everything in the house. One of them should be what talking about rich people. And I tell guys, if you are poor with those tiny voices, never shout at your wife because you don't have the right to. Only rich people with those thick voices. Think about it. If you meet your wife is based on your girlfriend, you talk with that thick voice. Babe, you know one funny thing I don't like? It's you hanging with those friends of yours. I don't want it to ever happen again, alright? I'm so sorry. I'm no. You keep saying you're sorry, but you're never sorry. I'm sorry. No, don't do it. Okay. Think about it, your tiny voice. Baby!
Peter Pan, meter this a girl can cool like a cardigan. Peter Pan, meter this a girl can cool like a cardigan. Peter Pan, meter this a girl can cool like a cardigan. This a girl make a feel like a Peter Pan. Me a get a hitty like a boy cardigan. This a girl show me love before me love me never see. For the winter but me feel like a the Hamilton. This a girl make a feel like a Peter Pan.
Thanks, I don't wait tired. I come show yesterday, they perform today. That's one. Now yesterday they pay me for. I don't wait tired. I did get the beg people where they go say come back and I go perform. So I want to thank all of you that waited behind. I don't say I don't laugh. I don't tire well. Just try. Things why I won't talk, they're funny. But who don't tire, I know they too laugh. But any which way. Because Jesus died yesterday, who have fire today, we collect the keys of life and death. I've been observing backstage, man. Nigerians, you guys are crazy. I like you people for one thing. When they follow anywhere tight, logo. Anywhere, I dey watch. I come they crack, I shower joke, una they laugh. The next thing he say praise and worship, una follow. When una die, devil go drag una body, God go drag una body. Say he was promoting us. You understand? Anyway, joke logo, una just me look at the observe. Some guys were here, they were not happy. I come here, one knock job. It gets into praise and worship. A guy don't book room this night. Next thing the guy will say, no, I'm touched. That session cool in the car. That is the vex. Observing all the performance and everything. Better girl, Irene. How you doing? Nice song, nice outfit. But you know say she not pass here. Like say now when you don't come to show, you come realize say you're scared too short. The anything will let you come here. When they dance, they sing. You see men we sit down upright or call like that. Nice view. You know? Francis Odega, get out of here, man. Wanna clap for this guy. These are one of the pioneers of stand-up comedy in Nigeria. I know you people don't know, he's one of the first people in Night of 1,000 Laughs. He don't hustle. You know easy. You know what it is to hustle more than 20 years? Only one line, you jump blue. Get out of here, man. Any day they talk, I'm even inside church. He's about 65. Oh, sorry, 67. Yeah, it's crazy, man. When I even try, you people came out for show. Bless it. When I don't fear, we enter rich hotel, and they use a bomb detector, they check car. Ghana way peaceful. Only when I use my hand, they find waiting or they find me. And they look them, they laugh. See their short bomb detector, they stand near the car. So if you come there, they think coming, big, where do you want to go? Come Nigeria, our bomb detector, they long. They throw. Check from afar. Then we got here backstage, the security when they put there, they tell them these are the artists. They say, no, we have to check. The guy they check, they press my ash. I say, eh? Crazy, man. It's crazy. You guys try, when I be fear, because Nigeria's economy now is in shambles. You know, dollar just go up. People will come for Christmas, not go back. They still in Lagos. Can't return back to Yankee or UK. When they come show, buy ticket, everybody don't lock up for Lagos now. Nobody they spend. Chairman with the dash us money, not the dash again. Normally for show like you see chairman, you say hey, chairman like hey, you go your blink like 2 times. Bing bing. That 2 times where you blink now $20,000. So bing bing. Now you look there, chairman ahead, and they look you back. No blinking. No blinking. It's that bad. People are being laid off, fire them, even entertainers. Now only few entertainers still go. I hire bodyguard now. Pay only in first salary December, January, nothing. Tell them, say, don't worry, the economy will pick up. And they go club like this, they bounce, they enter, whiskey and the entourage, they pass. As I don't pass and they go, and they look back. My bodyguard don't they follow up. I said, he said, Wheezy, don't worry, you are safe. Abandon me. Now the girls are not smiling, guys are not smiling. Even guys who don't hook here and accents until they get girls. Enter club, yo baby, what's up, baby, you okay? For the girl in mind, he just returned. Nothing. One guy deceive one girl, carry the girl enter house, carry and go club, meet for them, toast her, she agree, use English, say, man, you know what I'm saying? Come on, take him home with me. They reach outside, she said, where's your car? He said, man, you know, I just got back. Let's take a taxi, get home, we sort it out, okay? She said, okay. They enter taxi, reach house. The guy they look at, she they look at me. They look at she they look at. She said, Ben, I said, oh man, you know, I just got back. I got dollars all over my pocket. Benjamin's baby, I don't got naira, don't worry, pay, I'll sort you out. She said, okay. They enter house, no lights. She said, put on your generator. I said, oh babe, you know, I just got back. All that noise, I can't deal. In the US, we don't got generators. I can't deal with that noise. Let's, you know, use candles, like a romantic dinner. She said, okay. They chop. They enter room. She wants shower, no water. I said, your shower is not much. She said, girl, you know, I just got back. I can't be paying bills when I'm not here. Don't worry, there's a well downstairs. Let's go fetch some water, you know. Have our back, African style, like the ice bucket challenge. And then the girl look and say, talk well. Talk well before I shout. So what you saying? I talk well, I go shout now. Say, okay, now we. Take it easy. Job not, money not there anywhere. Even I detect girls for Lagos now say, this one there's no money. No, tell one guy, say, take me out for lunch, take you out. Oh, I want to go shopping, take you shopping. Oh, my car is bad. Can you come and pick me and drop me and carry you? Let's go and see movie. When I go see movie, or end up for a house after 3 weeks of expenditure. You know they get those excuses when they come up with. You can't see girls they come up with excuse, say, slow down. Let's take it one step at a time. Which step we jump? Tell me we will do that step. The most annoying one is, I've taken you like a brother. I tell you, sir, I don't know my family. Taking me like a brother. You know? Another annoying excuse is, any man I sleep with will not make it in life. They go, when they threaten me. I say, baby, I've made it already. What could do? One girl, do me. She, no excuse again, and she can't say the truth is that if I sleep with you, I will hate you. I will not pick your call. I will never answer you again. Okay. No need to argue. Okay. And the funny part is some of these girls when they form like this, when you enter a relationship, now they will call the love pass. Love, turn to monitoring spirit. Anyway, you go take club with another girl, they go just call you, pick. Hello, who is that you are dancing with? You say, stop looking back, I'm not there. Serious connection, they see you everywhere. And they tell guys, don't share Wi-Fi with your girl. Don't share Wi-Fi. You go like if your girl say, I'm traveling. You go Dutch, go hotel. You get don't enter car, go la phone, they drive around all the hotel. As your Wi-Fi network enter, it's here. So she gonna walk out room to room, they find the network. She reach the door, the thing go full. Say, so I'm not the share Wi-Fi again. It's crazy, man. Because when a girl is angry, man, they say hell hath no fury. Provoke, shout. That's why I like our African girls. Our quarrel is different from Oyibo. But the annoying part is many of you all have started behaving like these American girls. You go quarrel. You see Oyibo girls go quarrel. They will just tell the guy, you know what? Who's Jennifer? You're not going to say who Jennifer is? You're sleeping on the couch tonight. My girl go tell me. You're sleeping on the couch. I said, where did that? I didn't even understand. She said, sleep on the couch. I said, the bed spoiled. I said, no. The one way can make me laugh. Pack your bag and leave the house. Which house? My house? Pack your bag and leave. Who are you? Oprah Winfrey? How much you get? Those people back. Another thing girls do is, those girls when they get temper, when they destroy, some guys say they don't experience that. You know those girls when they fight, when they vex, you know the big things they break. They don't ever fight for their house. Now your house. I date one like that, so I'm not the quarrel with her. If we did my house, we say, you are a bastard, you are an idiot. Because if I'm mistaken, they say, I will do. What did you say? Plasma screen. I'm not they talk till we reach our house. 2 days later, we just say, hey, you call me bastard, come. What did you mean? She said, go provoke. I mean, look, my house, we'll keep her. Don't worry. Don't worry. Let's go out. Let's go to your place and say, don't talk the matter here. Let's settle it here and now. Women get angry. When some women get angry like this, you know say a demon possess them. But it's better to date a woman that is possessed by demons than a woman that is possessed by man. So yes. You know, say for Yankee, a normal thing now. But they did get, you know, not saying a transgender. And they ask for childhood pictures now. I see your childhood pictures. I'm just curious. I want to see what it was like growing up. They'll call and say, why is the only low cut you have? Do you know what it's like? Say you did trap, you don't know. But one day they start, because that man traced the dead body. Stop it, Bobby, stop it. I don't like it, stop it, stop it. I said stop it! Oh, you deal with baby. Don't pin you, now they mean no. She can't pin you. You know when they change, they change their strength from man on to woman. Can't pin you on top of the bed. Sit down on top. Don't whisper for her. I have a secret to tell you. Where you did, you go to struggle. Leave me first. No. Guess what? He used to be a man. Can you remove your former dick from me? Pin you down there. The worst thing you will ever experience is to get into a fight with a former man. Transgender. You know, so you know they know. They push you down. Deal with this relationship. Deal with it. Look, you're a woman. Don't let me hit you. I'll deal with you. Okay, you want to do me? Come. She give you one man blow. Boom. You know they ask who are you? They say, who are you? Who are you? Because you know what hit you, man? It's not ordinary. Who are you? But I personally prefer gays to transgender because that one you didn't know from beginning. And I want to use this opportunity to apologize to any woman who I don't toast, we're not there in the mood. I'm sorry. You know why? Gays now have rights. Once you travel abroad, they have right to toast you as a man. And you have to be civil. You know, if you go take any, they have gay rights. So you watch what you say. So now, when you as a man are not in the mood, now I know what those women what they toast we don't want. Our body they do now. Sorry. Anybody do here want toast like that? You nearly raise your hand. Do you know what it's like? You take bar for Lagos, guy just come meet you say, "What kind of kid can I buy you a drink?" Your response is, "Get out of there, you faggot, idiot, bastard, gay, homosexual." When you try it abroad, you are finished too. So with a day back, then now I know what women they go through. Because you see that our excuses now they sound like now. Guy will just come. "You look kind of kid, can I buy you a drink?" "No, thank you." "Are you sure? What you doing tonight?" "I'm not alone. My boyfriend went to..." "Your boyfriend? I mean my girlfriend went to the toilet." "Okay, maybe I could call you up sometime." "Don't worry, give me your card, I will call you." We don't change up now, we dey behave like them. It's crazy, it's crazy. See, women get power. Women have power. I fear every woman. When a woman tells you, you will see, you will see. It no matter who she be, you go see. I have seen cases, one of the families with the most powerful set of women, the Kardashian and Jenner clan. You know, say those women rugged, from their mama down. Rugged. Every man we don't pass through them. The guy, career the guy. No quick count them. Nick Cannon, he did Kim Kardashian. French Montana, where they? They hustle. Reggie Bush, former basketballer. Chris Humphries, former basketballer. Lemar Odom, former basketballer. Ashawu has nearly died the other day. See Scott Disick, Courtney husband. As they break up, the guys start to drunk, they misbehave. See, you know, see Kanye West? That one, they all look and say, okay, we not feel reckon, more make and Chris. We join Twitter. Even their mother, original Kardashian, her husband died of throat cancer. Enough he chop, enough he drink water. The throat block, he died. Now waiting Bruce Jenner look, say, if you can't beat them, you join them. And the guy switch completely. But you know, the most powerful woman in the world, my world, she died in January. My mom, my sweet mom. January, she just pegged like that. Christian woman, good woman. I took her to the airport on Sunday, Monday. She not sick. I look, see my mama, good woman like that. She was just 58. Mama died. Yes, still alive. Don't be smart, you know. I explain tired. Different people. The bad thing about when you lose somebody that you will tell the same story over 1,000,000 times. What happened? Was she sick? No. So what happened? I took her to the airport, she got on the plane. When she landed, she had a heart attack and she died. Now, I don't tell you. Why not go tell other people? Now then they go call other people and say, she died, come. Come on. Nothing happened, she wasn't sick. I took her to the airport, she got on the plane, she landed, she had a heart attack and she died. The two of them, they said, "Che! Sorry. How far now? What if mama died? Come." See, you remember John? John say, "Sorry, what happened?" I talked to one point, if I see that they come from far, they say, "She not sick." I took her to the airport, she entered plane, she get heart attack, she died. I did explain now, you know? And then, when this thing happened, I now realized why some people cry, they differ. Mama died like this, I mean, they cry, they cried. I was devastated. But you know, you get the kind of thing that they give you. Just come, stop crying, it's okay. Let me know what the burial plans are like, eh? But just use this check to hold your side first. Sasia. It's okay, I understand. They'll call it a philosophical. Everything calm down. I received check to the point I can't look my papa. And how body they do you? Sound fine, you sure? I know you miss her. Anything you do now is fine. I won't kill her joy. At the graveside, at the cry, they hold me. That is I want jump enter. Even me for my mind, I want jump enter. I say, let me die. Let me die. This life is useless. I cannot live this life again. There's no use. No. Not be small beg. I said, leave me, they hold me. One man just waka come, just push check for my hand. I look at 10 million. I said, it is where, go where. I will continue your legacy for me. On a final note, my mom, I know say when she died, she was shocked because you get things what they do where she don't know as a human being. She don't know, but now, as she don't die, don't turn to saints, she dey see everything. Only me go mistake, praise God, make her my guardian angel. What's mistake? I don't do it. She don't appear. Get up. There you're close. Pull that rubber. Go home, go and meet your wife. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it's been a long night. I gotta go now.
No wonder.
Thank you so much for having us.
Just the boy struggling. K1 style all day, some classic lifestyle, man. Let go. K1 in the mix.
All day, got more flows. Life really good, maybe you don't know. You don't know, yeah, the super stay low. Me, I've got glow, and I'm never gonna blow, cause I'm feeling so high.
Life is good, so I had to live it good. Winning on my mind, so I never wanna lose. Had to true life, yeah, I need a good pose. So I live a chase life, homie, no hoes, cause statistics try over.